there's nothing quite like stepping into a hot shower, is there?
Oh, absolutely.
That rush of warmth, the instant relaxation. It's one of those everyday comforts we barely think about.
Until it's gone.
Exactly. Until the hot water suddenly decides to, well, go on vacation. So if you're in the market for a new water heater, maybe looking at something reliable like a Bradford White, a big question often pops up. Does
Mhm.
where you actually buy it truly make a difference? Today, on the deep dive, we're plunging right into that.
And yes, it absolutely makes a monumental difference. Our mission today really is to cut through the noise. We wanted to show you the critical advantages of getting your Bradford White water heater specifically from authorized dealers.
Okay.
We're going to unpack why this isn't just about, convenience. It's about safety, performance, long-term peace of mind. And we'll show you exactly how to find these trusted pros.
Okay, let's unpack this then. Our research dug into several big advantages of buying from an authorized dealer. So what's the first major benefit? What really stands out when we talk authorized dealers for, like, a water heater?
Well, the first thing is getting the assurance of a genuine product. And trust me, genuine isn't just for marketing fluff here.
Right.
What's crucial to understand, and maybe a little scary, is that the market has, well, gray market goods, sometimes even counterfeit parts.
Wow, really?
Yeah, so buying from an unauthorized source means you could end up with something subpar. It might look authentic, but maybe uses inferior components. And this isn't just about performance dropping off.
It sounds like it could be worse than that.
Oh, definitely. It could mean premature failure. It might even void your home insurance if a non-compliant part causes a problem. Or, worst case, it could pose serious safety risks, think fire hazards, or carbon monoxide leaks if, critical safety features aren't right.
Okay, so genuine means safe, reliable, the real deal.
Exactly. The high-quality, safe product Bradford White actually designed and stands behind.
Gotcha. Now, here's where it gets really interesting for you, the listener. Once you know you're getting the real thing, the next step is making sure it's the right one for your home. How does an authorized dealer help with that expert advice, those
Well,
recommendations?
this raises a super important question, doesn't it? How do you make sure you're getting the right model for your specific situation, your family?
Yeah, I can see someone just picking one online based on price or something.
Exactly. That's a common pitfall. Like a family of 5 buys an undersized tank online because, hey, it was cheaper. Then they run out of hot water after 2 showers every morning,
Ah, nightmare.
right? An authorized dealer won't let that happen. They'll actually assess your unique hot water demands, family size, how many bathrooms, what appliances use hot water.
Okay, they look at the whole picture.
The whole picture. Plus the technical stuff like energy factor ratings, whether tank or tankless is better for how you use water, the right BTU size for gas, voltage for electric. They make sure it provides enough hot water efficiently and, crucially, safely within your home setup.
And okay, beyond just choosing the heater, getting it installed right, that seems critical. Some people might think, oh, how hard can it be? I'll DIY it or, hire a cheaper handyman. What's the deal with professional installation from these dealers? Why is that so vital?
That's a fantastic point
Hmm.
because installation is absolutely paramount
Mm-hmm.
for optimal function and for safety.
Right.
Incorrect installation can lead to huge headaches. We're talking leaks, water damage, or much more seriously, gas leaks, carbon monoxide poisoning, even electrical fires if it's not handled correctly.
Scary stuff.
It really is. Our research showed authorized dealers typically use certified plumbers. These aren't just any plumbers. They're often specifically trained on Bradford White products. And just as important, they know and follow all the local building codes.
Ah, so that specialized knowledge is key.
Totally. It means the heater is installed to the manufacturer's specs and all safety standards are met. That means fewer headaches for you and optimal safe performance for, well, hopefully decades. It's an investment in safety and efficiency, really.
Makes sense. Okay, finally, let's talk about after the purchase. That peace of mind factor. Access to Bradford White warranties and that after-sales support. How does the authorized dealer fit in there?
Exactly. This is where that long-term value really shines. If you don't use an authorized dealer, you might find your warranty is completely voided if the installation wasn't up to code.
Oh, wow.
Or if you bought from some unverified seller, getting genuine replacement parts for a repair might be impossible. So a simple fix suddenly becomes a whole new expensive replacement.
So the dealer helps with warranty stuff.
Yes, authorized dealers facilitate those warranty claims smoothly. They give you direct access to Bradford White's customer support network. That's critical if anything goes wrong down the line. It's a comprehensive protection for your investment.
Right, throughout the whole life of the heater. Okay, so summing this up for you listening, if you're looking for one of these heaters, how do you actually find an authorized Bradford White dealer? Is it complicated?
Not at all.
Yeah.
The process is incredibly straightforward.
Yeah.
Just visit the official Bradford White website. They have a really user-friendly dealer locator tool right there.
Okay.
You just pop in your location details, zip code usually works best, and boom, it gives you a list of authorized dealers near you. It's the simplest, safest way to start.
Simple enough. And any final critical step? Once you have that list, do you just call the first name you see?
Good question. Absolutely not just the first one. One key takeaway from our sources is verify their credentials.
How do you mean?
Just take a moment.
Yeah.
Check for proper licensing, certifications.
Mm.
Make sure they're legit, you know. You want to ensure you're working with a reputable professional who follows all the rules and standards. It protects you, ensures a quality job.
Good advice. Okay, so to wrap it up, getting a Bradford Whitewater heater from an authorized dealer really guarantees you're getting, well, the real deal, first off. Then expert guidance tailored to you, professional and safe installation, and that crucial warranty and after-sales support.
Exactly. So for that dependable, efficient hot water solution that truly lasts, your first and best step is really simple. Visit Bradford White's official website. Find an authorized dealer near you right now.
You know, what stands out for me is just the simple wisdom here. Making that smart choice right at the beginning, finding the right person, it sets you up for a dependable, efficient hot water solution. It doesn't just keep the showers hot, it protects your home, maybe even your wallet in the long run. It's not just buying an appliance, is it?
Not at all. It's an investment.
Yeah.
An investment in your comfort, your safety, and ultimately, your peace of mind. And that really pays off over many, many years.